Hello guys, it is Drago, the discussion dragon, back with you guys again. And in discussion 2, we're gonna have a lot of fun because we're gonna find out your personality type, but also we're gonna find out what type of superhero you are. Now the first thing you have to do is click on the link and it brings you to the Jung Typology personality test. Now this test will give you a 4-letter personality type that we can match up with the superhero 4-letter personality types. But the first thing you have to do is take this quiz, and I know it's a little long, it's 65 questions, but if you want to know what type of superhero you are, you should definitely take it. So once you finish with the 64 questions, go ahead and click score it and write down your 4-letter personality type. For instance, my personality type is ESTJ. Now I know you're eager to see what type of superhero you are, but before you do that, make sure you click on the careers that your 4-letter personality type offers. Click to view. Go ahead and read this when you get a chance because it has some very important information, and you can also save it. You can learn a lot about yourself on this page, including more about your learning styles, your communication styles, and for fun, let's see what other famous people have the same personality as you. So for me, it says I'm the same as Elliot Ness, John D. Rockefeller, and George Bush. Oh no! But I digress. Now, let's see what type of superhero I am. So look, I'm an ESTJ, and so are Modern Nick Fury, Maria Hill, Hammer, and Pepper Portis. And it gives me a good description of why I am this way and why I am just like these superheroes. Kind of fun, huh? So now that the fun part is over, let's go back to the instructions so we can submit the discussion. Now we basically did step 1, 2, and 3. Now we're on step 4. Now, in your discussion, Counselor Donnie wants you to talk about your 4-letter personality type. Talk about which Marvel and DC character you are. Also, in C, Counselor Donnie wants you to talk about whether you agree that that superhero is similar to you or whether you disagree. If you disagree, which superhero do you think you're more closely alike? And then, lastly, Counselor Donnie would like you to reply to 3 other students and their discussion posts. Just reply to their discussion posts. Again, it's important that you reply to get full credits and credit for your attendance and participation. Remember, these discussions are important points for not only your discussion points, but also for class participation and your attendance. So make sure you not only discuss your part, but also reply to 3 students. Now, if you have any questions, you can always contact Counselor Donnie at his email. I don't have an email because I don't have a computer, because I get bad reception in my cave.